In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group list in Outlook. This feature allows you to efficiently manage and communicate with multiple people through a single email. Whether you're coordinating with a team at work, organizing a family gathering, or simply keeping in touch with a group of friends, creating a contact group can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you all set up. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Ensure you're on the home screen where you can see your inbox and other main functions. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the left navigation pane. Here, you'll find various icons like Mail, Calendar, and Tasks, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on People. The People icon serves as your go-to place for managing contacts and creating lists. Accessing People takes you to a view where you can see all your existing contacts, which makes it easier to configure them into groups. Now, with People selected, bind the option labeled New Contact List. Clicking on this will open a new window specifically designed for your new contact group. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a few fields to fill in, starting with the name of your list. Make sure to choose a descriptive yet concise name that accurately represents the group you're creating, like team members for a group of colleagues. Choosing a clear name will help you quickly find this list in the future, especially when your list of groups grows. The next step involves adding the email addresses of the individuals you want to include in this list. You can do this by either typing each email address directly or taking advantage of the search feature, which allows you to find existing contacts in your Outlook directory. If you're adding multiple people, ensure you've entered each email address correctly to avoid any communication mishaps down the road. A handy tip is to double-check your entries before finalizing the group, ensuring that everybody you want to include has been added. Finally, with your list named and all members added, look for the option that says either Create or Save. Clicking this will save your new contact group, and just like that, you now have a convenient way to email all these people without having to type in each address individually every time you want to reach out. Your new contact group is now ready to use whenever you compose a new message in Outlook. Simply type the name of your contact group in the recipient field, and all those emails will automatically populate. That wraps up our guide on creating a contact group list in Outlook. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Getting this set up is a fantastic way to streamline your communications and can truly make managing your contacts a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.